Hey guys, we received this LIVINGO scissors set for test and try. This is a all-purpose scissors, titanium coated with a heavy-duty sharp stainless steel, comfortable shears for the school or the office or the home use. So let me just open it and show it to you. It's approx 8 inch in the length, and the cutting zone or the stainless steel is 3.74 inches, and I can easily handle or become very smooth cutting as you can see it here. Very nice handle, comfortable. And then also with this zirconium blade thing. So it's easily cut the things as you can see very smoothly, and also like the three different colors and the sets here. So all are the same, just the colors are different. And you can easily use to cut your paper and the work for the home and the office or the school use. So I would say it's a pretty nice setup for the pair of scissors.